In front of me is NOKIA XR20, and let me show you how to send message via Google Assistant. So first of all, you need to open this app and then provide the command. So let me show you how it works. Google send message to Ronnie.
Okay, what's the message?
Ronnie, I'll be there at 10 p.m.
I got I'll be there at 10 p.m. Ready to send it?
Yes, perfect, please send it. You can send it Google. Okay, so you can either re-comment this sentence by tapping on microphone or tap on send to send the message, but I will just tell it again. Please send message.
Sending your message.
And that's it. As you can see, Ronnie received this message. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.